Hi beauties, welcome to another video. Today I am going to be sharing with you my DIY for aloe vera gel and how I turned that aloe vera leaf into gel and used it for a pre-poo. And if you're not really into DIYs or feel like you don't have the time, it's fine. Just keep watching to the end and I'm going to have a great alternative for you as well. So now let's go ahead and get into the video.
Loved you from the first time you called me lame. Loved you for your wits and your wicked games. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the summer came and went in a day. And I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. And I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. When you're miles away, you can make it shine when the whole world rains. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the days are long and the nights are late. And I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. Ooh, and I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. Forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah.
So for all of you that's saying that, I don't have time for that DIY stuff, here's the alternative that I was telling you about. It is the African Pride Miracle Moisture Pre-Poo Shampoo, which has aloe vera and also coconut, and is basically the same consistency as the aloe vera gel. It has that jelly consistency and it has so much slip, like it's neck and neck. Okay, so the slip on this aloe vera is amazing. If 10 was the highest level, this is definitely like an 11. It's super slippery. It's very easy for me to detangle my hair. I'm only going to finger detangle, and I'm doing this on an old rod set that I did. So this is how much of the aloe vera that I have left, and this is also after I went back through each section and applied more to my scalp and throughout my hair. At first I was wondering if one leaf was going to be enough to do all of my hair, but it was more than enough. So I was lazy and I end up letting the aloe vera pre-poo mixture sit on my hair overnight. I tied my hair with my turby towel on top of this plastic cap. So the next morning when I rinsed it out, my hair was super soft. It felt like a really good intense hydration mask. It was very soft. There was also some shine to it. And from there I went in and shampooed. So let me know down in the comment section if you've already tried aloe vera DIY or if you even pre-poo at all. Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.